Good morning, Flomaton High School. This is Elizabeth with a few words of wisdom. How many of you have heard an adult say, "It seems like just yesterday when you were a baby"? Time passes quickly. It's amazing how soon the future appears. Adults have had more experience with time, and that's why many will tell you to not waste it, but to treat time with respect. Now listen to this Quaker saying, "I expect to pass through life but once. If there is any kindness I can show or any good I can do, let me do it now, for I shall not pass this way again." Today, remember this. You will experience each moment of your life only once. Make the most of them. Show people random acts of kindness. Be good to yourself and others. You'll be glad you did in the very near future. With something to think about, this is Elizabeth. Make it a great day or not, the choice is yours. The volleyball team will play at WS Neal today beginning at 4. Tomorrow night will be senior night as we host the Bayside Admirals. Pre-game will be at 6:30, kickoff at 7.